Okay, so don't panic on this section, okay? Some people freak out when they hear about a Facebook pixel code and they think, oh no, what do I do? Well, you don't need an app for this. You don't need to use Shopify's own stuff. I've got a good system that works and it'll do everything you need. And we're going to install that now on your site, okay? So go to Pixels. So go to All Tools and Pixels, and then go to yours for your site. So it's going to be, for me, it's going to be this one, Engraving Profits. So I'm going to click on that. And then what I need to click on first is Setup, because I have to grab the base code. So I click Setup, and then manually install code yourself. And just scroll down to this part. Or sorry, where is the part? Yeah, copy the entire pixel code and paste it in the website header. So we just mouse over, copy to clipboard, go to your store, and here is where we're going to place this thing. So go to Online Store, take a second to load, go to your themes, so whatever your current theme is. I think I just used the base one. So go to Actions, Edit Code, just follow these steps, stay with me, go to theme.liquid, and what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom of this, and there's a section that'll say head/head right there. See that? Line 74, but then I hit enter a couple times. So now I'm just going to hit Control V, and I'm going to paste in my code. So that's my base code for my site. So remember this number. That's your pixel ID, which you can also get from here. So I don't need this anymore. So I need this pixel ID, right? So I'll just copy that to my clipboard. And now, in my store, I hit save. So my base code is saved. But now I need codes to track it when they go to the product page, and I want it to track when they go to add to cart, and I want Facebook to track when they buy something. So my next one, if I scroll down, is cart.liquid. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you this code, okay? So all you need to do, see this cart.liquid part, script to script, copy it. Okay, this is going to add in the add to cart event as well as the item variant ID so that we can make lists of people who added to cart, and so that Facebook can report add to carts to our dashboard. So just hit enter a couple times, Control V, that's what I want to put in there. Okay, that's the add to cart event. Save. Now, I also want to do, when somebody lands on a product page, I want the pixel to fire. So I go with this one, product.shineon.liquid. Okay, I'm going to go there, I'm going to hit the enter after that last line, and then again, from my little text here, I'm going to take this one. So product.shineon.liquid, copy. Now I'm going to send the product ID through to Facebook for my reporting, and I'll also see that somebody clicked on that page in my Facebook stats. I'll click Save. Done. Now the last thing I have to do is I want to make sure I'm tracking when people buy, because I want to see who bought. Otherwise I can't manage my ads, right? So I go Checkout, and then I'm going to scroll down. There's a spot here called Additional Scripts, right here. And what I want to put in there is this piece. So remember I had my pixel ID. I'm going to have to get it again. Grab your pixel ID right there, copy, take my little code, Will's code, see where it says under here, settings, checkout, additional scripts, right here, Facebook pixel ID goes here, paste, and as well in this little part, Facebook pixel ID goes here, paste. Now, what I need to copy is this whole thing, okay, from if first access to end if. Copy. Just going to move that aside. Back to my store. Settings, checkout, additional scripts, paste. So you might see some funny looking code in here. This if first time accessed and end if. That's just Shopify's code. Okay, meaning that if somebody reloads the thank you page after they bought something, I don't want the pixel to fire again because that'll give me a double sale on Facebook. So you can see that this one, I kind of mislabeled it. I put content IDs, but it's actually a variant ID that we're going to go with, all the variant IDs. So I'll show you how to set this up when we get to the custom audiences and the lookalike and the tracking and all that good stuff. So just click save. Now, in 5 minutes, we've set up your pixels. Now, there are apps out there that will charge you a lot of money to do what I just did. Okay? So you don't need them. They're not necessary. Just do what I did. Follow the instructions. Don't worry about the why right now. Just place it where it's got to be placed. You're not going to break it. And go ahead and do that now. It's vital that we be able to track who viewed the page, added to cart, and most important, bought. So that's what this pixel code does.